Physics Unit 2 One words. The refractive index of four substances A, B, C and D 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in A. Answer A. Where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of same size is obtained by a convex lens? Answer 2F. Then third one, a small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, this will produce a parallel beam of light. Magnification of a convex lens is either positive or negative. A convex lens form a real diminished point sized image at focus, then the position of the object is at infinity. Answer infinity. Power of a lens is 4D, then the focal length is 0.5 meter. Answer 0.5 meter. A myopic eye, the image of the object is formed in front of the retina. Answer in front of the retina. 8th one, the eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by bifocal lens. Answer bifocal lens. 9th one, which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? A convex lens of focal length 5 cm. Answer the convex lens of focal length 5 cm. If VB, VG, VR be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? VB lesser than VG lesser than VR. Next, fill in the blanks. The path of light is called ray light. Answer ray of light. The reflective index of the transparent medium is always greater than 1. If the energy of incident beam and the scattered beam are same, then the scattering of light is called